Hi, I'm B. Aishwarya, studying 3rd BCA Computer Application from KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. We are going to see about JavaScript. JavaScript is an object-based programming language that allows a creations of interacting web pages. JavaScript allows a user entires which are loaded into HTML form to be processed as required. JavaScript's official name is EnScript. The language was invented by the Brenton Itch at the Netscape and has appeared in all Netscape and Microsoft browsers since 1996. Characteristic of JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language. It is a lightweight programming language. JavaScript is usually embedded with HTML document. JavaScript can be executed without preliminary complications. Everyone can use a JavaScript without purchasing a license. Advantages of JavaScript. And an interpreted language. JavaScript is an interpreted language which requires in complication steps. The syntax is completely interpreted by the browser just as it is interpreted HTML tag embedded with HTML. Does not require any special editor for a programs to be written, editing or completed. It can be written as a text editor like a notepad along with appropriate HTML tag and saved as a file name .html. Minimal syntax easy to learn. By learning just a few commands and simple rules of syntax, complete applications can be built using a JavaScript. Quick development. Because JavaScript does not require a time consuming complication, script can be developed in a short period of time. It is also provides a GUI interface features such as alerts, promos and confirm boxes. Designed for a simple and small program. It is well suited to implement a simple and small program. Performance. JavaScript can be written and such that HTML files are fairly compact and quick small. The minimize the storage requirement on the web server and downloads time for the user. Easy dubbing and testing. Being an interpreted language, scripts in JavaScript are tested line by line, and the errors are also listened as they are encountered. Procedure capabilities. Every programming language needs to support a facility such as condition checking and looping. JavaScript provides a syntax which can be used to add such a procedural capability to the web page. Designed for the programmable user event. JavaScript supports object event based programming. JavaScript recognizes when a form button is pressed, user must return the approximate functions to handle to the events. Platform independence and architectural neutral. JavaScript is a programming language that is completely independent of hardware on which it works. JavaScript application work on any machine that has an approximated JavaScript enabled browser installed. These machines can be anywhere in the network. Thank you.